Oh, hey there. This is Steven with Peaceful Warriors Wellness Center in St. Pete, Florida. And today, for your Wellness Wednesday, we're going to go over the stretch out strap. So, this is a nice high quality material, nylon, made in Minneapolis in the old US of A. And what you do is you lengthen those muscles, creating more flexibility, getting rid of that stiffness that a lot of us have stiffness in our hamstrings, so we're going to focus on that today. Now, it's important to note, definitely check with your healthcare professional if you have any back issues or osteoporosis, which in that case, I recommend bending the opposite knee. So you're going to bend that opposite knee, and then you're going to lift up as far as you can comfortably. It should never be painful. Just kind of like a hurt so good, if that, really just a stretch, okay? We're not breaking any records. Deep breath in, exhale, try to relax that upper body, and you can tighten your abdominals, just kind of like imagine your belly button into your spine. So this is gonna get a nice stretch in the hamstring as well as your calf. And what you can do is, you can also do a little contract and then relax into a deeper stretch. Now, for more advanced, you straighten that leg and you gently push down. And, different methods we can do, we'll be able to show you in the Wellness Center. So if you have any questions, please just come on by. We'd be happy to give you a rundown of how to use the stretch out strap safely and properly and efficiently. Thanks a lot.